Hello students, welcome to English online class. Today we are going to see simple, compound, complex remaining rules. Last class we had seen rule number 1, that is contrast ideas. Today we are going to see rule number 2, that is time immediate action. Time immediate action. Okay, the first rule is contrast ideas. So the rule number 2 is time the sentences which are showing the time, it is immediate actions. Okay, the sentence which refers the time, that is immediate actions. Two actions which are happening in same time, simultaneously, next to next. Okay, two actions happening in a same time. So here all the sentences which are expressing time, that is immediate actions. So here the simple sentence on plus verb plus ing. On plus verb plus ing. The verb plus ing means it is present participle. Okay, that is we have verb V1, V2, V3, V4. That is V1 present tense, V2 past tense, V3 past participle. Next P4 is present participle. For example, go V1, went V2 past tense, gone V3 past participle, going, that is present participle. Okay, so on plus V plus ing, that is present participle. Okay, simple sentence phrase on plus V plus ing. Next, compound sentence. Compound sentence and at once and immediately. We can use coordinating conjunction and at once or and immediately. Okay, we can use both the conjunctions and at once or and immediately. And complex sentence, subordinating conjunction when or as soon as. When or as soon as. So complex sentence, subordinating conjunction when, as soon as. Okay, so what is simple sentence? On plus V plus ing. V plus ing means present participle. Next, compound sentence, coordinating conjunction and at once or and immediately. Complex sentence when or as soon as. So the sentences are expressing the time, that are immediate actions. Okay, so let us see some examples. See, on seeing the stranger, the dog barked. Okay, on seeing the stranger, the dog barked. So on plus present participle, V plus ing. So it is simple sentence. Okay. So compound sentence. On seeing the stranger, the dog barked. So what is the compound sentence structure? We need two main clause and coordinating conjunction. So the dog saw the stranger and immediately it barked. Okay, first the dog. Okay, noun, and next one pronoun it. So the dog saw the stranger and immediately it barked. So we have two main class. The dog saw the stranger, that is one main class, and it barked, that is also one main class. So and immediately it is coordinating conjunction. This is compound sentence. And complex sentence, we can use either when or as soon as. So we can use as soon as the dog saw the stranger, it barked. As soon as the dog saw the stranger, it barked. So already I said that, okay, the sentences which are referring time, immediate actions. See, the dog saw the stranger and immediately it barked. There are two actions are here. The dog saw the stranger, okay, it is an one action, and it barked, it is another action. So two actions happen, okay, immediately. The dog saw the stranger and immediately it barked. Okay, so next movement itself, the next action happens. Can you understand? See, as soon as the dog saw the stranger, it barked. Immediately it barked. Okay, so the first action happens one time, okay, immediately other action happens. Can you understand? So it is time, immediate actions. Okay, see the two sentence, one action happens, another action immediately. Okay, can you get the points? Okay, let us see one more example here. The thief saw the police and immediately he ran away. See the two actions, okay, it happens immediately, no? The thief saw the police and immediately he ran away. He never thinks whether he may run or not. So definitely he runs. So the thief saw the police and immediately he ran away. So what is the sentence? This is compound sentence because two main class and immediately it is a coordinating conjunction. So compound sentence. So when you change into complex, what we have to use? We have to use the subordinating conjunction when or as soon as. So we can use when here. When the thief saw the police, he ran away. Okay, when the thief saw the police, he ran away. Okay, when it refers time. Okay, so when the thief saw the police, he ran away. That is complex sentence. Next one, simple sentence. Simple sentence, what we are going to use? On plus V plus ing form. So we have to use on. What is the verb here? Saw. So when you add ing in that verb, that is on seeing the police. On seeing the police. Actually, who ran away from the place? That is thief. So we have to write the noun thief. The thief ran away. We should not write he ran away. We have to point out the noun. Who is the main noun here? The thief. Okay, so on seeing the police, the thief ran away. Can you understand? Two actions happens in same time. That is immediate actions. Okay, time, immediate actions. Can you understand? We'll see one more example here. On touching the hot plates, the girl screamed. On touching the hot plates, the girl screamed. Okay? So what is the sentence? This is simple sentence. On touching the hot plate, the girl screamed. So, compound sentence. What is the compound sentence? Actually, who touched the hot plate? The girl. So, the girl touched the hot plate. And at once, the girl means we have to write she. She screamed. The girl touched the hot plate and at once she screamed. That is compound. Okay? Complex sentence. As soon as the girl touched the hot plate, she screamed. Can you understand? Complex sentence. As soon as the girl touched the hot plate, she screamed. This is complex sentence. Okay? We have to use on plus verb plus ing in simple sentence, and at once or and immediately compound sentence, as soon as or when in complex sentence. Okay? So this is time, immediate action. We'll see one more example also. She entered the room and immediately she took the mobile. Okay, she entered the room and immediately she took the mobile. What is the sentence? It is compound sentence because and immediately there are two main classes. So compound sentence. Complex sentence. As soon as she entered the room, she took the mobile. As soon as she entered the room, she took the mobile. and simple sentence. So what is the main verb here? Enter. And you have to use on. So what is ing form? Entering. On entering the room, she took the mobile. This is simple sentence. On entering the room, she took the mobile. Okay, have you understood the rule number 2, time immediate actions? Okay, so if you read the sentence, you can clearly understand, okay, whether it is contrast ideas or time immediate actions. Okay, because next rule we are going to see time later actions. Okay, when you read the sentence clearly, means you can know that it is time immediate action or time it is later action. Okay, can you understand time immediate actions? So next rule is time later actions. Okay, next rule number 3. Okay, time later actions. Okay, two actions happen in different time. Okay, one action happen in one time past, another action happen, okay, some other time. There are two actions happen in different time. There is a time duration is different. Okay, the rule number 2, time immediate action happens in same time, but here two different actions in two different time. Okay, the time of duration is totally different. See, simple sentence. Simple sentence here, having plus past participle. Past participle means verb 3. Okay, that is V1, V2, V3, no? So past participle means V3. So or after plus present participle. Whether we have to use having plus past participle or else after plus present participle. Okay, and compound sentence. What is the compound conjunction? And then. Okay, compound sentence conjunction and then. And complex after plus subject plus had plus verb 3. After plus subject plus had plus verb 3. So after had means that is past perfect tense. Compulsory complex sentence we have to use had plus V3. After subject had V3. That is after means it shows the keyword, that is past perfect tense. Can you understand? So time later actions having plus past participle or after plus present participle. Compound coordinating conjunction and then. Complex after plus subject plus had plus verb 3. Okay, see, after I had received my certificates, I went abroad. Okay, so after I had received my certificates, I went abroad. See the two sentences, okay, differences. I had received my certificates. I went abroad. Actually, he received the certificates in one time and he went abroad. Okay, it took some time, not immediately it happens. Okay, next moment itself, he never goes to abroad. So here, I had received my certificates. It happens one time. I went abroad. It happens another time. Okay, it took some time. Can you understand the sentences? Okay, time, immediate action, next movements, the action happens. But here, see the difference? I have received my certificates. Okay, after some time only, okay, I went abroad. Can you understand? So, two different actions in two different time. So, this is complex sentence. Complex sentence. Why complex sentence? After is here, then subject, had, next one, received. V3. So, compound sentence. Okay? Compound sentence, only we have to write simple past in compound sentence. We should not write had here. So, I received my certificates. What is the conjunction? And then I went abroad. Okay, when you change into complex to compound, you have to write simple past only. Don't write had. If you write had means it is changed into past perfect tense. So only past perfect tense is used in the complex sentence. So compound sentence, I received my certificates and then I went abroad. And simple sentence. Simple sentence, what is we use? Having plus past participle or after plus present participle. So you can use having plus past participle. Having received past participle, it is the same word. Having received my certificates, I went abroad. Here having received, okay, having plus past participle, or you can use this one, after plus present participle means after receiving my certificates I went abroad. Okay, either you can use having plus past participle, having received, or else you can use after plus present participle, after receiving my certificates I went abroad. Okay, can you understand? We'll see one more example here. So having visited the Taj Mahal, we went to Delhi. So having visited the Taj Mahal, having here, it is simple sentence. Having visited the Taj Mahal, we went to Delhi. So compound sentence, we visited the Taj Mahal and then we went to Delhi. We visited the Taj Mahal and then we went to Delhi. Okay. Next one, complex sentence. Complex sentence, what do you use? You have to use after. Then subject. What is the subject here? We. Next one, had. Next one, past participle. Visited only. So after we had visited the Taj Mahal, we went to Delhi. So after we had visited the Taj Mahal, we went to Delhi. This is complex sentence. Okay. Let us see one more example here. After they had sold their lands, they vacated the village. After they had sold their lands, they vacated the village. Okay. So here this is complex sentence. When you change into compound, they sold their lands and then they vacated the village. They sold their lands and then they vacated the village. Next one, simple sentence. Having sold their lands, they vacated the village. This is simple sentence. Having sold their lands, they vacated the village. Can you understand simple, compound, complex? Rule number 3, time, later, actions. Okay. So the first rule, it is time, immediate action. Okay. Second one is time, later actions. Can you understand? So you want to read the sentence. Compulsory, you have to read the sentence clearly and understand and grasp the meaning. Okay, get the meaning. Then only you can find out that is time, immediate action or later action. So after that you can use the right phrase, coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunctions. Okay. So once again I recollect the time, immediate action, simple sentence, on plus, V plus, ing form. Compound sentence, and at once and immediately. Subordinating conjunction, complex sentence, when, as soon as. And here time, later action, simple sentence, having plus past participle or after plus present participle. Compound sentence, and then. Okay. Complex sentence, after plus, subject plus, had plus, verb 3. Can you understand? So recollect the previous rule, it is contrast idea. Also make note of these 2 rules. Okay. We'll see the remaining rules in the next class. Okay, thank you all students.